Better than don't reach inside program with the sweet. This na cocoa of the matter. How na dey na? Hey, we don't dey load Friday they come. Oh. The one where they remain now to just the pray say may water we won't pass anywhere where they pass. May find better select road pass inside this one. This na cocoa of the matter. And yes, so not forget say now here with the grind talk on top politics, say national issues. May it take blend. May it be like a lubo, may it soft. You know, say a lubo where they use for lafu is separate from the one where they use for amala. May know how one turn. May know whether the woman sabi cook as on top say as you grind and I ain't go show for inside pot when she start the cook am. My name na Femi D. Amele. How na dey na? You know say those wey wan watch us for better television. Now if you watch us for inside Go TV, yes, we dey there. Inside Star Times, we dey there. If now on top Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, you go see us now. No bend body too much. Find us for inside that one with Wazobia TV. All the things where you go use find us. Say may no loss. It dey waka pass for on top una screen, one by each nana. I can't remember say as we did like this, so many tori dey up front from political waka, reach different things. This week as we did like this, I can't ask my sister say, hey, we go touch this Kogi matter. Auntie so me, you want go Kogi, me go see what they show us, whether na real video or na fake video. You don't tell where you tell me say you sabi swim. Me will test your swimming something, whether if you float for on top water. She said she don't want to go. Now we'll go find one of them government officials do and say, I bet consider put for chair, we will do on top internet. Tell us how the matter they be for inside Kogi State. Now the cocoa talk we want arrange where we reach inside that place. We'll go get a special advisor and chief press secretary to Kogi State governor. He go explain how everything be for inside that state. Water one side. Kogi Assembly say Ibon. I don't know who liked cigar or on can do. Live for there where everything just stay burned down for inside Kogi Assembly. If that one no do us for inside the talk where they are front, we go look Obajana and Dangote. Who get her, who remain, who collect change, who no collect paper, who collect receipt for on top that factory. That one they there. But I hear say the governor said, don't come pull out say, I beg go, those way old truck for inside Kogi State, we don't carry cement. Allow them make them they go. Allow them make them they go. May we settle quarrel. May we no cost katakata for those who don't buy cement, where the cement no reach them domot. Because that one, it no go good at all. All these talk now we don't gather finish. Even though say corn don't they finish for market, banana don't come. Now so life be. One Tory must find another Tory come inside the one way we did so. This now cocoa of the matter. When we enter political waka, come back. Tori full ground, we must touch them one by each inside today where we did so. We dey come back. I define Tory. Me and Auntie Somi gather this story. Say we suppose know this thing. I beg people where they call Transmission Company of Nigeria. They reach to say this one a part of the people where they bring light from inside where they generate them. Draw wire may enter inside different parts of village and city. They say no plan to sell them. Say maybe they do the work they go. Now so federal government talk. Say even though say light they off for inside our country, but no be say we come through the whole company where they bring the light. Leave them. Now in federal government talk. Another Torio. Now no say that three leg in Nigerian government use stand. One way they call executive. The second one now the one way they call National Assembly. The third one now the judiciary. The one way they call National Assembly. Under them Nigerian Senate today. They say they don't they put IO for 252 agency. Over 5 trillion naira service wide vote. Make Akari explain that one. Say inside this country we get 252 agency. When no agree explain full how the money where they their hands they take waka. Now they say they won't look now. They won't put eye look at where. How you go talk say na us? No be us so now in they talk away come out from inside Festus Keyamo. Now in be oga patapata for among the people where they do spokesman for inside APC for presidential campaign something. He say the talk away coalition of united political parties and red proof for us I say they won't come out INEC chairman, they won't stop beavers, they won't do magomago for inside election. So not be true. I beg nobody may no park market put for our head. Now in Keyamo talk. He say all that talk where they talk, you know enter at all. Say where they hear them. This election, where they don't prepare for, they must do them. Where? Inside ADC, when under political party for inside Nigeria, we dey hear say they don't pursue the presidential candidate Dumebi Kachukwu comot from inside the work wey im say e wan do. No say quarrel kwanta e start between the candidate and some people wey be the ogbonge people wey dey run the party. Now they say before you run us down, may we run you out. They pursue and put for outside say may we no use ball to pursue you, but no be you go do our presidential candidate work for the party. Labour Party, yes, so they don't gather people left, right, and center. They don't flag off them presidential campaign. When they start, now inside Nasarawa State, now they go you start. But join that one, be say they carry Oga for inside NLC, they carry Oga for inside TUC. They say these two ahead, join them. We go put them for the one wey they call Party Advisory Council, the one wey go they give better advice. More pass more no pass more worrying things. He said these two people they go there. But Labour Party, now Nasarawa, now they carry start for inside North Central, their own presidential campaign. From another side, the NNPP, New Nigeria People's Party, the party when I know Oga Kwankwaso, when the former governor of Kano State, he don't put, he say yes. All the defectors where they come out leg for inside APC, when I use na leg waka come meet me for inside Lagos. As the day Lagos now, so it don't cut ribbon where they use open office for inside the domot for inside Lagos. Say, oh yeah now, as office don't open, most start work. Who want waka come out for APC? Use your leg, come meet me for inside NNPP. This one, it can't be like say one heavy me to talk for inside Anambra State. The governor there don't hear noise, better noise. He say anybody will put poster, he put burial poster for inside the domot of Anambra State, 100,000 naira. Now you go pay as tax. Say now by force, the man don't die, the woman don't die. Must you put poster for spoil things we government get? He say if I cash your poster, now 100,000 naira, we go make the children and family of the people we put poster, make them pay. Now, quick, we go start the story for inside political waka because our guests go soon connect with us for inside this one. They go tell me when you don't put hand for internet to join. Inside political waka, now see all the story where I call for now. Hey, no be here. Which one I won't even select? May we start from the phone call. If now call you won't call me direct, don't call me direct. The telephone number now go waka pass for on top of the television. Nah. More will know where the talk won't be. See this one now. They say the transmission company, the one where they bring light, they put for inside country, where they draw wire from where the people where they draw generator or generation for electricity. Where they do them. They can't talk, say, it never reached to sell. Say the company, they all right. Federal government no agree sell them. According to the person who helped the Minister of Power talk, Abubakar Aliu, special advisor to Aliu, in name na Isa Sanusi, he talk say, government no one sell now. They know they sell give anybody. Say na small packaging. TCN need make everything they all right for inside power sector. All the noise where they make say if they go down, it no work, it never reach to sell. Say now small things it dey. Say right now wetin they need now employment and say some people they get better disengagement with the TCN company. You know mean say the company no go work or they work well. Say now just small adjustment now they supposed put for inside that one. Una agree wetin they talk inside the matter. Say light matter inside this country. Say as they say NEPA, it no bring results. They say PAC, it no bring results. Which one remain? Anyone dey inside? You get on that one. I don't even know. I don't forget how many days inside. They say all these ones where they say as it no bring results. Say me they say TCN. Una agree? Say to sell, resell, and buy sell. Now if they help light may work. Now agree say now so it's supposed to be. Make we know from your mouth. Most start the call. Another Tory what they see. We be like say one shock me. Small. The Tory on top APC. Where see you people bring. See you people. PP. And no be people. See you PP. May I see the Tory. May I explain and give now. Yesterday, I've been inside this week where they go so. Now in the people where they call coalition of united political parties. Now they say they want to press conference. So say they don't gather all the political parties where they so. They don't find voice for the talk where they want to talk. Say, we don't hear, now they start the talk. We don't hear, say, some people for inside APC, then once scatter 2023 election. Now they start the talk from there. They say, join that one. They say they no one agree we use beavers. Beavers now the one way in people they call bimodal voter accreditation system. Say on top that beavers now it connect with INEC server. We go make and work well for inside 2023 general election. They say they don't want me we use them at all. Join that one. They say because INEC chairman come be like say they do progress. On top the work, say they want come out Mahmoud Yakubu. Now they say because of that, now they don't bring voice for outside. Say, may we explain it, give everybody now. Say, no be like that, oh, no be like that at all. Say, we no go agree. If anything at all, it touch our election, say we no go agree. Now the man will carry cap to talk the thing. Now they show for na television. As he said, the matter come close for there. Now we journalists, they come gather Festus Keyamo when they come out. I even see Femi Fanika they near inside when they gather the talk. He can say, for APC, now don't they like different things on top APC. Not be saying now go come join and that one like this one now. Say we don't want INEC chairman. Who appoint INEC chairman? No, who bring election bill away with the use wait on law? Who say may INEC go fire, may INEC put power, may use better technology, measure election, give us. Why not go come talk say now we no one agree? I beg go, may now they select lie when I won't select, and now find people when I go put lie on top their head. Now the verse where Festus Keyamo come arrange on top that one. Say, no be so election, he must go well. May we find out from this person where they call us from inside Ikorodu for Lagos. Carry welcome inside program.
Thank you very much. Oh.
Yes, sir.
This is my first time of calling the station, and I'm excited.
Thank you.
Yes. Looking at let me pick the transmission company. I don't know all the sales. Where are we heading to? Nobody will be worried if the sales are made and the results are there for the people to benefit. But the ones where they don't sell, waiting be the cocoa of them, waiting with the see. Although in all sincerity for a Greek side when I do, light come be like say improve small in the last 2-3 months. You will say Kima Bono Long Mora. But before now, there is nothing to write home about it. So if selling it will take us 3 steps or 100 steps back, I beg, make the leave them the way it is. Then, as far as INEC is concerned, this matter of the one use beaver, make the leave them. No to vote buying. No to vote buying. No to collecting money. Nigeria must move forward. Our prayer is that INEC will perform the way they have performed in those isolated states. That is our prayer. That this 2023, as I vote, you vote, then vote. The people when them vote for, now in they go see. No mago inside.
No mago inside.
I support you. Carry on. Use all the beaver. If they like, make they use a global satellite GPS for make it they check everything, touch light for everything, so that we go get good and credible election like Oga Buhari be promised us.
Yes.
May God help us all.
Inshallah, we will join them in Jesus' name. All join for inside the prayer where you pray for us. Thank you, say you don't call us from inside Lagos. Now don't hear waiting one person don't talk. Say, may it not be as we don't arrange at the combo. No be today, they don't advertise beavers. It can't be like saying now a whole human being. Now beavers be. As beavers don't they help us, they come. So where they say, they test them for some places. They test them for another place. Say they work. Say, may we don't leave them. May they work, they go. Say, may anybody no do mago, scatter them. Una agree? Say, something fees do something before this election. Una agree? I don't think so. Oh yeah, now we'll carry this next call where they join us inside program today. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
I think when we go swim, but make it go show the swim more. This matter of INEC, they just deny them. Okay, for me, watch them, you go see before February. Anybody will want to do better thing for this country, allow that person to do it. Go see him. Because this very person want to keep record. Say tomorrow, they see one of in charge somewhere, they will say, Mahmoud Yakub was one time INEC chairman. I introduced this. And let's us inside this. Wahala where would they inside? Watch him, you go see what thing they go do this man. If they don't come out time, they go try anything.
But if they come out time, it go scatter the whole election now. Before the whole election, go come do one kind. I don't think say they go fit come out time. I don't think say anybody go even want come out time. Or what do you think?
No, if they want, as they know, say you want to do the right thing now, they would like to scatter everything. APC just they deny it. Not them. They
You
have
think so?
inside. I thank CUPP. God bless them.
All
They
right.
keep it up.
Okay. Oga Joe, thank you. Tell you call us. So, who na believe pass for inside this thing we dey now? The Oga way for CUPP. He don't talk one last week where we see they gather the talk for grant. He don't come outside, come talk another one now. Say they won't come out to INEC chairman. They won't come out to Beavers. Say all these things. Say now plot, now mago, now this kind neck. Now some people they do to combat them. But we agree. I don't think say it go be so. Inside this election where they were everywhere, don't they cook. Even beans where they cook. If not talk where we don't they talk around this election. If we don't done by now, I be now no see like that. But that one among the many talk with them inside this one. As we they talk say this election they cook now so ADC matter self come they be like say one cook pass the different to make I tell you one more story before we enter Kogi matter. This one na inside ADC in Yanam ADC no be APC I call am ADC na JO for African Democratic Congress. Now in matter one come be like say one pass the way it be. Dumebi Kachuku and the running mate Ahmed Rufai, they don't say they pursue them from inside the party ahead of 2023 election. The party say this one they don't do stamp on top the matter. October 12th for Wednesday night they say they agree this thing for inside Kaduna State. This one they come out from the mouth of trustees chairman Patricia Akwashiki. And National Vice Chairman Northeast and plenty other executive we follow do. They say he don't do. The one way he do way bad before, we know they forgive them. They go. In a go vote if they bring another candidate come this party. Now the question maybe I won't ask me that. Now go vote. A party no stable for inside party. I mean, when we talk real life party, you go groove. The DJ select song, he play two baba, everybody say no problem. Like say in here they load, they come. From two baba, small time. He enter selling John. Everybody say, na mistake. How this thing they be? From two baba selling John, he can't look, he say na ragamuffin. He won't play. He can't they play everything together. Can't say, Kai, no be so, my machine no work new. I don't know which village people went to my machine, they make up they sound like this. You not go believe them. Say no be your own work. Now go vote party where the party no green stay one place. Now na question why I leave now with assignment. When they come back inside program where we do so, our better guest will be Chief Press Secretary to the Kogi governor. He don't put for internet for that side. Or he don't jump all the old water, connect with us so that we go fit talk. This now cocoa of the matter when they come back.
To vote a candidate that will protect our life and the integrity of this country. We were told that there will be a free, that is no violence election throughout the nation. Nobody will fight, nothing will happen. We hope so, and we are still praying. And we also alert our youth that don't fight, don't do anything. Just go and vote, stay and wait for the results. That's all.
We advise people, don't fight about the voting within the town and outside the town, city and the villages.
agree. We can do anything. We are ready to die for our right.
INEC workers, they have not arrived in time. We are waiting there for more than 2 hours or 2.5 hours. Now about 10, and they have started just now.
All right, carry welcome back inside the program where we did. Now, don't see the things where they show for Nigeria now. Join other things where they happen. All right, nothing do us. Yeah, on top of Zoom, I'm waiting the column, and that's no be Zoom for Okada. On top of internet, join me for inside that side for Kogi State now. Better Oga for inside Kogi State. In the chief press secretary. I even they think say if you don't give them double promotion, if they don't give them double promotion for title, go tell us. But in a chief press secretary to Kogi State Governor Onogun Mohammed, he day with us via internet. My bros, carry welcome inside Wazobia. Thank you, say join us for inside the way we day so.
Thank you very much. I greet all of now and the people whether they hear us from all over the world.
Good.
Good evening.
Good evening. Now, wow, person of dry cloth for inside Kogi State now. Be like say water no gree am. Abi how it days be? How that environment be? May we start from there first.
So we thank God say the thing don't they waka go back small. But as you know, the place now water carry us for the past 2 weeks. And you know, say now where the two big rivers where they in Nigeria, now for Kogi State, now they come meet. So if water come out from Cameroon, they come. If it come out from Keji down, all of them they will come meet for Kogi State. And it will increase the volume of water where the river will contain. So it will come overflow, carry people house, carry people farmland, destroy people property. So now waiting will be there inside since. But as the people, whether they work for, whether they tell people, tell us where the water will come and what you go do, they don't send us signal, tete. And our governor, His Excellency Alhaji Abelo, tell the people, say, una they live close to river, we make una come out, say water they come. You understand? And that early warning, where you give them quickly, people where they close to water, many of them, they run come out before the water come, they pack the people. And as water come now, we pack people property and we come make arrangements for where people where they leave their home, they go stay for every local government where this water come affect. One of the local governments where the water affect well, now Ibaji local government. If you see, you go see say me, I don't enter boat with my government people. Governor don't send us go there about 8 days ago to go see what did happen, and we'll go there with our eyes see. It no be better thing to talk. So Ibaji, he don't do other water before that as that time, and they come build where they call IDP, that is internally displaced persons camp, for them to move in. And the same place, the same thing we do for Basa local government, Ida local government, Ofu local government, Lokoja local government, Kogi Koto local government, and other local government where this water carry people. They stay there, and the governor and the government of Kogi State don't buy what they call relief material. So the relief materials where the government don't buy now two phases. The first phase now to provide food for people where water don't pursue them from their house to where government see me they stay now until the water go back. So we don't provide food and soap, toothpaste, all those things, basic need where they need. It is in the first phase of the relief material. Even NEMA, National Emergency Management Agency, they come join us with support too, to give us relief material to give to these people. But as my governor talked that day, this problem of water where they come every year, it's not good for us, it's not good for our people. You understand? So what do we want make them do? Governor, don't tell state, federal government that if we come out sand from the river Niger and Benue, when they meet for Lokoja, they will come get more space. So that when they come release water from Lado Dam in Cameroon or from Kenji Dam in Niger State, Kokion, the river now, where they don't come out sand, they don't dredge them well, it will accommodate, no matter how big the volume of the water they come, the water will accommodate them. Now, waiting President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua of the blessed memory sign and begin to do before he died. As he died, Jonathan come, they come, carry equipment, come there, if they not do them, they leave them, they go. And the people of Kogi and our government will still they cry onto federal government. That Kogi is a very important state in Nigeria. Look at as flood come out road like this, you can see even tanker where they carry fuel come Abuja, carry fuel go another part, they no fit pass. So if Kogi not dey good, Nigeria not dey good, and one of those to just dredge the river so that all this flood will happen again.
Make a go ask you. Make a quick action, because now you know say you don't tell us small reach where the solution dey. But by yourself now, when you start this talk, you talk say the governor he give warning to people say he don't hear say they tell am from Nimet and all the people where they measure rain and people where they measure land where water fit pass say men are come out for ground where water dey. Why una no comot them put for where it dey safe before the water reach there? Why not say now after it don't happen now come comot people go keep for where it be like say it's safe? Join that question and say the governor himself, he can't tell President Muhammadu Buhari, say may declare state of natural, is it disaster being in Guinea? I don't remember the English finish. Where in call, say may then do, so that everywhere go get solution. Why would no safe people, as in say help people? Because they count, I know say now 9 local governments for inside na Domot, now this water don't affect. If now know all these places, why not no gather people come up for there before the matter reach as the bad can reach like that?
Thank you, my brother. You know how we Nigeria be. Water they come, it will affect you. Government say, make una come out. Because these IDP places come, we don't mark them, put for ground already. You understand? Some na school, we don't mark that place, say, activity no go take place here because we get emergency issue at hand. That people, whether they leave their house for water side, they can't stay there. But some people no agree come out. Some people refuse to come out until water come meet them. Now the problem, how would they get with that? But you know my governor, if they do what they correct, if the whole world like me, they against them, you know they to send them. He don't talk on October 1st, say, the way this thing they bring wahala like this, what thing he go do as the water they go back like this? He go measure 20 meters. Any house where they close to water, 20 to 30 meters, he go remove the house. He go remove the house from the water side. You understand? He don't talk that one. He said now the only one solution, one of the solutions where we will apply with that. But people, you see danger they come and say, come out, go stay here. This water will come, it will destroy your property. If it will kill you, if you don't run come out. They say, no be today they did it. They don't build house, they don't stay there. And it's not good. And this flood will come this year, plenty. Past the one of 2012. Now, why governor say make President Muhammadu Buhari make it declare Kogi State as a state of emergency as this flood matter concern? Because 9 local government, I tell you, say I go in Ibadan, you will see some video where they on top of boat. I go there, say I don't even get land to come down to talk to people. You understand? It's some communities because I go to 15 communities in Ibadan local government. Some you know go get land now on top of 3, and this is what we are telling the people that. When water they come like this, as the people whether they measure water, they measure rain, they tell us, would they tell our people, would they do what they call sensitization in 3 different languages in Kogi State, on the radio or the TV. Say water they come, make una come out. Water they come, make una come out, go stay for IDP camp. But God so kind, God help us. We no get casualty of people where they die through this thing. the three casualty where we get. Now, one boy where they use boat as water don't carry the pole of electricity, the wire can't drop, so the person go hold am ignorantly. The electricity kill the person. Then one, you know, some people they go use the boat as if na road. The boat is somersault on top of water, 2 persons die. So now 3 deaths where we don't record for the incident with that. But as I tell you, the government is distributing what they call relief material at every camp. The next phase of the relief material now to provide building materials, mattresses to those that water really spoil their house.
Make a quick action.
Call on international community, the federal government.
May they help you? I agree. Because as they tell me, say, to call on federal government, I can't remember, say, you get one thing where they always release. I don't know whether it's rich on side. They call an ecological fund, hydrological fund, ecological fund, money where they say, okay, arrange your environment to make plants day like this, make water day like this. Now see the money collect or now no collect them. And if now collect them, what now use and do?
Did you hear me? Hello?
I dey hear you.
Hello, you dey hear me?
Yes, I dey hear you, sir.
That's why when you talk, you know, say this our government today. Now government when we say if na money for buy pin come, na that pin they go buy. That ecological fund where you talk, the government, there is what they used to call counterpart funding. The state government do it own. So under the leadership of the former governor, Captain Wada, they come carry that money, they work where they start the work where they call river embankment. They call the build wall so that if water come hit them, it will go back. That one now 2.5 kilometers along the river. So as the former governor start, he no go anywhere before he come out from office. As this government come, they don't do that place complete now. So anybody who no local job, he go tell you around market down to Natako, they go tell you say yes, this thing where they tell you government do and true. And if not be that thing, this water will carry the whole of Lokoja. You understand? The whole of Lokoja will be affected. But that what we don't do them. But the final solution, as my oga talk that day, now the thing be that we will remove houses where they close to water one. Then make federal government dredge the river. Now, what do they tell federal government? When you dredge the river now, even the vessel where they carry heavy load from Obodo, it go come Nigeria. It go pass through Delta State, pass through Onitsha, it go pass come Lokoja, you understand? And the team, it go enhance economic development and activities. So if federal government will dredge the water will all get where it will accommodate water plenty. The river, I mean, if it dredge the river will all get space where it will accommodate water. Now, how did they do where things they work, where will be that? And we go want people make the airport stop so that if they do that one, this flood of every year, it go day limited. You understand? Now, the 2 solutions where governor say, he go try, he go do it best, make it happen before he leave office.
Make I drag you go another corner for because it be like say inside these 2-3 weeks where waka pass for Kogi matter e dey front where well I no even call no wetin happen. We just hear say Kogi Assembly say they agree say may they go do check wetin dey happen for inside Dangote refinery. But before we reach the Dangote matter, abeg wetin happen for inside the Kogi State Assembly? Because it be like say somebody leave candle there on. Now don't find another Tory. Now the Tory where they hear for outside, for Abuja, for Lagos, just they hear different Tory. Say nothing remain when that place bomb come down. What you now don't find? What will happen?
You want me to talk of the bond first or the assembly and Dangote?
Assembly first, because that bomb matter, if it takes more as with the arranger they come. Most start with the assembly matter.
It's okay. We just wake up that day to hear say assembly don't burn. And now matter will touch us very well because assembly now another serious arm of government, now INP, now whether they make law for the state be that. So as that fire come burn the place, we no happy. But then as it happened, the government say make the investigator. People when they investigate that kind of a thing, they see they investigate, they never give us a report. So I know if we talk plenty on top of that matter for now.
But some of the executives, I say executive, some of the lawmakers they talk say now somebody where does a vex until waiting that they agree or no agree. Now him go put fire for this. Different people for instead una lawmakers they even bring Tory come outside say they know what happen. Say make government arrest this one, arrest that one. Why una no follow waiting that they talk?
Just like you know, me I dey work for the governor. Now those people when they talk, when they don't do the finding, they come give governor. From there, me I go tell you say, waiting this thing now waiting happen with that. But as they never submit the report to governor, I know if we talk on top of that matter plenty.
All right.
Now, if you go to the one of Dangote and the ceiling of the Opajana Cement company, my brother, this country where we did, now we go make the country better. The country already we human beings come, it already better because the land is there, the mineral resources is there, the water is there, everything there on top of the country. Now we go make that use of those things to better the country. You understand? People, whether they do business for this Nigeria, we want them to be sincere. If you know very well, my governor, Yaya Bello, anybody, if you like, criticize her, but when you talk of security, you say, that man, they try for that one. Well. The governor, as in come office, issue of security, now carry for him. And why was he doing that? To ensure, say, if the state be peaceful, people will come carry their money, come do investment for Kogi State. As they carry their money, come do investment, our people for Kogi State, they go to get job, they go to work there, they go to earn living. And with that policy, as I talk to you, about 5 to 8 different companies, they don't come Kogi State as this government come on board. Even last year, you go check for people where they get authority to tell you where to come Nigeria, where to come state, whether they call direct foreign investment. Kogi na number 3 for the whole Nigeria, where money don't enter, make they come do business for the state before. So that kind of state and that kind of governor where we get, not the governor where go they fight with no consign now. Opajana Cement Company, that is the name where our former governor, Isaba Karaudu, opened the company. He named like that, Opajana Cement Company. He go Oyibo land, go collect what they call loan, 50 million Dutch mark from Belgium and Switzerland. After he don't collect that money, he go Opajana, they go do what they call feasibility study. Whether mineral day or you know day, they do mineral country, he can't go day plenty. Now, I would say this mineral way day, the state government no get capacity to build the factory where go make use of them. Therefore, no go invite person where if he contribute money so that they go develop this mineral. The person will benefit, the state will benefit. Now, when they don't invite them to take come, he can't see the document, the feasibility study. When they don't do, he say, mineral day here plenty, I won't invest. Now, so he join the government, the business. You join the business or the name of the business as the register for Corporate Affairs Commission. Now Dangote, Opajana Cement Company PLC. Now the name is that Opajana Cement Company PLC. Now after I don't go see, we can't join the government. They can't give them that certificate. They will get called certificate of registration and certificate of occupancy. Where we say now Opajana Cement Company carry too. He carry that money go commercial bank. They give a loan for 63 billion naira. As at that time, 2002, make it start the building of Opajana Cement Company. Now, top of our document, he they carry our name. Now he carry and go bank. He obtain loan. Now he start to build the place. He build the place called the move. Then they can't list the company on the Nigeria Stock Exchange so that people can subscribe to it. That time. That would say the agreement is say he will carry 90%. But state say no, we will get 10% so that we will get the benefit we will come to state as we try to struggle to generate revenue for development. That thing day. Before we open our eye, that would say you don't acquire the place. And the people of Kogi State they say no, this Opajana is too big. Why this thing will go and we no go benefit from inside? If we do road, if our government do road, that would then drop, they will spoil the road quickly. Opajana community, they don't get water to drink. Hospital where government built, 9 cement go company go renovate. You know, do people. So all those things they come carry the wahala go meet assembly. And you know say assembly now people that they represent. After they go meet assembly, Under the former governor, Assembly can't do their own finding. They go invite them to make it come. He say, no, they come. He did business for Switzerland. He did business for Netherlands. He did business for UK. He did business for USA. He did business for Canada. They know they see him. As I talk to you, now the 60 years where this matter they on with that, where they go invite set up committee go bring report. They go invite them to take people call. Today they say, you get one document where they supposed to bring. That document, they are that way they Tanzania, he did with them. If it come, they go bring them. He no go come. They go set up another committee again. They go verify. They go come, they go invite them come. If they come, they say, oh, this one una get them. They say they get them, but you know they are available. They Lagos. They go bring them
before we even go further, I dey hear the story where they talk, but I know say some callers will ask you about the flooding, about the assembly thing, because I know say small time now the Zoom go pursue us come up for inside the talk where we dey. May we carry this caller where they follow you, they talk from inside Abuja Lokogoma. Carry welcome. Yes, sir.
I just want to appreciate Kogi government and let they put on for their mind. I mean, they strong because as they see and so, not be only them. This type of thing they happen to their side. May God help them. Let God rescue them. Because something will be your own. A person collect, they pay you, and it's very bad. We have younger ones that will benefit that thing tomorrow. Why Dangote will not go and build his own company? He must go somewhere and put hand inside a company that is not his own. Go to Benue State. This is exactly what is happening. One day, maybe this issue will come out in Benue State. That is exactly what he did in Benue State.
All right.
If they come out now and say, this is our own, go the claim say, na his own. Why can't he go and find somewhere and get something somewhere and build his own?
You may not be like say,
go and collaborate with somebody, and later on you will connect and say na your own.
All right, no leave it like that with you for that side for the talk because time they enter from different sides. But Ogajo, thank you say you call us on top of the matter. So you they talk say he used the company name Obajana Cement, join his own name, go collect loan from bank. But now can they describe am say na asset grabbing. So what now they try talk now say Dangote carry na own resources without na full permission. Because what then Dangote talk different to say una know in detail, una agree as they follow una come one by each for inside their own report where they put for outside for paper where we all of us read. So how now can they resolve the matter now? Because I know say time they go quick. Make a quick ask you that one.
For a valid contract to take place, you get three elements that will happen. Now, if they say they don't transfer our own share of 10% to them, say now they get them plenty. As that thing they happen, if that will take a right to Kogi say, I won't get una 10%, join my own, una agree, that is an offer. Kogi State go right, say we accept this proposal where you they bring. That is acceptance. The third element now consideration. The consideration be say, as we don't agree to give Dangote our 10%, what did Dangote give us? Now, what do they tell Dangote say, what do you give us before you take the 10%, join everything where it could be your own? Now, that kind of transaction, you know if you do it verbally, you go get document where they go sign. Government go sign, it's okay, or so day, Dangote make offer, or so day, Kogi State accept the offer, or so day. Kogi State government, that will pay consideration to Kogi State government. They go sign and keep. We get all this record. All this media activism, where they go right, say now waiting day, not the way we want here.
All right.
Present the document.
Okay.
When you present the document, people go believe you. Not be to talk.
No be to talk.
Need to media every day.
All right, make I hold you for there. I still want to ask you one question before we carry Waka Komot for inside the interview itself. Tori where they outside for people where they hear about Kogi State say people for there they suffer. Say now they own salary, now no grade do minimum wage, hunger they touch people. Now true or if not be true, why people they think like that?
Ogami, one problem is say when you dey work for government, if you talk they say now because government they pay salary now you dey. issue of salary arrears, you know, they could be since 2018. After the great bailout, the government, we know people suffer to wait for the screening. After the screening, we government, Bello don't talk, say, he apologize, say people suffer. But now sufferness, we go clean the system with this.
So,
after the screening,
because of time, I'm going to ask you, may just quick answer, and because the clock is the worker. Quick.
Now, not October, now October salary, he never do to pay. Now that one, even me was that I never received. So, this salary issue, make I tell you one story before we go quickly. As they do screen that time, the person who follow my mama, his daughter, they work for Ofu local government. When Animare goes area 2011, when they do screening in 2017, he called me say, he won't come for screening, but he here say that they arrest people when they collect their own salary, when they know they could state. Now tell us say you see the work for Ofu, he said, oh, they still they pay him salary. You go imagine say person when he marry goes area 2011, collect salary till 2017 when they start screening. You understand?
Yes, I understand. And time don't go finish.
Now, if I give you number now, make you call and say, when you collect salary last, you go say since when Bello call, they never pay them. So, people like this, they're plenty for social media.
They're plenty.
Now then they talk, say, salary.
All right, my Oga, we'll leave it like that because time no green stay one side. But we're going to talk this talk many other time when we drag you comes to do again. Oga Onogu Mohammed, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Now, Oga Onogu Mohammed Bidat, the chief press secretary for the Kogi State Governor, Yaya Bello, they tell us different things on top issue of flooding. What they don't do so far. Another story we follow for there, they say they receive support from some governors. They don't ask federal government, say, come pack sand where they under water. May we know where this thing won't be. Tutu, may we know where we did for ourselves. Tutu. They say they don't do that one. They come. Say they don't ask federal government. Say state of emergency. They call state of Mina help me. He don't reach for inside Kogi State. But nobody say every year this one go happen. Okay, all that talk is they grant so. But I know say some people before I close shop, and I go on ask question on top different political waka matter we don't put join this one on top Kogi things. Una raising all the things where you don't talk now. Say na so e be or na agree say e different. Telephone number ide waka for inside the television script. But first of all, may we enter Ikorodu for Lagos carry this call answer. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother.
Yes, sir. My name is Akoji, calling from Ikorodu.
Thank you, sir. Call us.
Talking about the Dangote issue with the state government, I get question I want to ask state government. I be from Kogi State, so I want to ask whether state government don't carry the case go court. They don't carry Dangote go court. Because me, I feel say they're not supposed to just seal up the place without first passing through due process, taking the case to the court. So I think the court should be in a better position to seal up the place. Now, my own question, I have no ask.
Okay. Now, the but be like say they see they talk to each other for corner. They never want enter court. It be like say they see they do it to they call deliberation. They ask each other, they dialogue to know how the TV. But thank you, bro. Say you call us. May we see whether na court matter go say to him last. But thank you, say you call us. Okay, you self, you stay there as you want call on top the matter. Bros don't talk your own onto how TCB for Kogi State. Say what are they, but at least truck. And by the way, if no. Fuel down the enter Abuja, now don't see say fuel scarcity down they reduce. Now agree abi. Now my eye looking like that. They say 146 truck don't travel pass road now don't enter Abuja. Say fuel don't they come back to Abuja for those way they Abuja we no say scarcity day. But join the matter now say Nimet itself don't come draw everybody here again. Say rain never finish. Rain, it never finish for inside Nigeria where we did. So say, may everybody just arrange yourself. If you know say where you did, water go follow past here. Just know how you want to do yourself. May nobody like say we can't they say, hey yeah, you know good oh, if a better person be this. But may we carry this call from person where they call us for inside airport road for Abuja. Carry welcome inside program. Ogala. Ayola. Oga, where you oh? Hello?
Hello?
I hear you now. Carry welcome.
Yeah. Well done work.
Yes, sir.
I have to ask you, are you the one on this 95.1? Are you the same person, please? This is my question.
And now inside me, now I borrow myself, go do money show for there, for inside that one.
Okay. But the family of that place is small. You are jovial here, but that you are very serious there.
Hey, now inside one person, oh, these two people, now they just do. No allow my housemates and son no join the Gary. Oh.
Well done work.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, Olasey callers.
Okay, God bless you.
Yes. Oh.
Thank you.
All right, sir. May we leave the program today. I'm happy saying I call, saying I no allow me just talk by myself. For those who go still call another time, now they do. Remember I said tomorrow na Friday and program go day until Somi go down swim. She na better Olympia. I call her with full man. She go down swim reach here by that time. She just go measure Kogi water to see how far. But tomorrow she go tanda put for inside program with me and go they talk close shop for inside 1 week where we did so. All right now, better cocoa of the matter now we don't do for today. So thank you, say join us. My name is Femi D. Amele. Remember, say go find us for YouTube. In case you miss one part, we be like say won't confuse you. Find us for inside Wazobia TV. You go see the different programs we don't launch. Put for there. Watch them. Explain it. Give yourself. In fact, you want to hear your voice again? Go there. You go hear your voice for inside that one. Thank you, say join us. Oh yeah, now more leave cocoa of the matter for today like this. Now do it.